Medical notes this week. Why are weight loss drugs so difficult to take long-term? GLP-1 medications help suppress a person's appetite, but the various side effects like vomiting and nausea cause a majority of patients to stop using the drugs within a year. Now, a research team has found a new brain region to target that won't cause these gastrointestinal symptoms. When tested in mice, the injection helped the animals lose weight without negative side effects. The study is published in the journal Science Translational Medicine. Alcoholism doesn't just affect one person. New research in the journal Aging and Disease shows that paternal drinking habits before conception can negatively affect fetal development. It can also cause symptoms of early aging in kids, even when consuming the legal limit. And the effects continue to worsen if both parents drink. You may soon be able to detect skin cancer at home. The ExoPatch is a silicone product that uses microneedles to pick up DNA information from our cells. It uses this data to detect cancerous fragments. When tested on mice, the ExoPatch was able to specifically locate the cancerous DNA. The scientists are now looking to do a pilot study in humans before moving into clinical trials. The research is published in the journal Biosensors and Bioelectronics. And finally, fix your bad knees without surgery. Osteoarthritis is a leading cause of adult disability, and there's no way to reverse the damage. However, scientists have found that making a small adjustment to how someone walks can cause the same amount of relief as medication. It also reduces cartilage damage in the knee. The study is published in The Lancet Rheumatology. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Mayan Vosta Betancourt.